Got an AIA file from an Android app project and need to open or modify it? This format packages complete App Inventor projects for sharing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with MIT App Inventor projects. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier AIA file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. And .AIA file is a project source file created by MIT App Inventor, a web-based platform for building Android applications using a visual, block-based programming language. Users encounter this file when they export their project to save a backup, share it with others, or move it between accounts. It contains all assets and code blocks. Internally, the Won't AIA file is a standard zip archive. It contains various source files including screen layouts, .scm, block logic, BLK, and all project assets like images and sounds. This design choice makes the project self-contained and easily portable, allowing for simple backup and sharing without complex dependencies. The proprietary opener for the AIA file structure is typically MIT App Inventor by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows can display the file contents, but safe execution relies on trusted environments. Your first step in the technical sequence, right-click the AIA file and choose Open With. Use MIT App Inventor as your first test case. If it fails, choose another program immediately. If the AIA file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Due to the specificity of the AIA format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, importing to App Inventor. Visit ai2.appinventor.mit.edu and sign in with a Google account. Use projects, then import project from my computer and select the AIA file. The complete project loads with all screens, blocks, and assets ready for editing, testing, and APK generation through the development environment. Next, examining project contents. Rename the AIA file to zip and extract with any archive tool to inspect the internal structure. View BKY files in a text editor to read the visual block's XML representation. SCM files describe screen layouts and component properties in human-readable format. Finally, sharing with others. Export projects from App Inventor as AIA files via projects. Then export selected project. Share the AIA with collaborators or students who can import it into their own App Inventor accounts. This enables collaborative development and educational use across classrooms and learning communities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.